Have you ever dreamed of earning money with cryptocurrency, fully automated, without needing to trade yourself? Arbivex is the perfect solution you've been looking for. Designed specifically for Canadian investors, this AI-powered crypto bot makes daily profits between $120 and $580 a realistic target, even if you're new to crypto. With Arbivex, monthly returns of up to 75% are possible, positioning it as one of the most advanced and reliable automated crypto trading platforms in Canada today. Don't hesitate. Click the link in the description now to claim your exclusive welcome bonus and be among Canada's first to harness the full potential of Arbivex. Arbivex runs 24/7, continuously monitoring global markets, analyzing trends, and executing lightning-fast trades automatically on your behalf. Powered by cutting-edge AI algorithms, Arbivex is designed to minimize risk while maximizing profits, all on autopilot. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader, Arbivex takes care of the entire process, so you can relax and watch your portfolio grow day by day. Built for Canadian investors, secure, compliant, reliable. One of Arbivex's biggest advantages is its Canada-based infrastructure, ensuring full compliance with IIROC, FinTrack, and other regulatory bodies. Your funds and personal data are protected under Canadian financial laws, with military-grade encryption and top-tier cybersecurity protocols. That means you can invest with confidence, knowing your assets are protected and you're operating inside Canada's regulated financial ecosystem. Trusted globally, optimized for Canada. Thousands of users worldwide already trust Arbivex to generate passive crypto income. It's praised not only for strong performance, but also for its intuitive interface, making crypto investing easy and stress-free. Just imagine waking up and seeing your crypto portfolio grow automatically without charts, stress, or constant market tracking. Advanced technology meets simplicity. Arbivex is built on 3 core pillars: trust, security, and innovation. 100% cloud-based. No installation required, compatible with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and more. Start trading in minutes by simply connecting your wallet. Adaptive AI adjusts to real-time market conditions automatically. The AI was developed by a team of fintech veterans who monitor and update algorithms in real time, making Arbivex one of the most efficient and adaptive trading tools available today. Need help? We've got you covered. Our Canada-based support team is available 24/7 to assist you, from setting up your account to using advanced features. If you're ready to take control of your financial future with a smart, reliable tool for passive crypto income, now is the time. Click the link in the description, claim your exclusive bonus, and join the first wave of Arbivex users in Canada. Start today and turn your crypto goals into reality with Arbivex. Thank you for your attention, and best of luck with Arbivex Canada Edition.